Welcome to my channel Education City. First of all, do like, subscribe and share.
स्टार्ट करते हैं अपना कोर्स जिसका नाम है वीडियो एडिटिंग। पर पहले ये जान लेते हैं वीडियो एडिटिंग होता क्या है। एक ऐसा प्रोसेस जिसके ज़रिए आप वीडियो क्लिप्स, ऑडियो और विजुअल एलिमेंट्स को रीअरेंज करके एक इंगेजिंग वीडियो बना सकें। हमारा मेन फोकस है वीडियो, ऑडियो और टेक्स्ट, ये तीन चीज़ें। अगर आपके पास एक अच्छी वीडियो है, ऑडियो है, देन आप उस पर कुछ विजुअल एलिमेंट्स यूज़ करके एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन वीडियो एडिट कर सकते हैं। Video editing involves selecting and trimming footage, adding transitions, applying effects, adjusting colors, adjusting audio levels, and arranging everything in a sequence that will create an engaging video. Let's discuss what you can do after learning this video editing course. This course will help you in creating films, commercials, social media content, TV shows, online videos, and many more. Inshallah, after learning this course, you will be very creative and it will enhance your storytelling abilities. Look at the guide that will help you to get started. Step number 1, understand the basics. First of all, familiar yourself with the concepts of video editing such as timeline, cuts, transition, effects, and audio editing. Step number 2, choose editing software. Select a software that will suit your need and skills, that will help you to edit your video. Step number 3, resources. Collect resources such as video, audio, visual elements. You can start by using your own recordings. Step number 4, tutorials and courses. Watch online tutorials and take courses for learning the basics of your chosen editing software. Step number 5, practice. Start with simple videos, practice more and more, edit short clips, travel vlogs to get the feel of your editing software and tools available. Step number 6, storytelling skills. Focus on your storytelling skills. Video editing is just not about your technical skills, it's about conveying emotions and messages. Step number 7, keep learning. Stay updated with the latest trends, software updates, and editing techniques. For this, you have to watch tutorials and read articles. Always remember that video editing is a skill that develops over time and with practice and dedication. Be patient with yourself and don't be afraid to practice and learn from your mistakes.